Hello, my fantastic friends. I'm Sparkle the Unicorn. Today, we're going to spell some magical words that start with the letter B. Are you ready to have some spelling fun? Wonderful! Let's go! What are we going to spell first? You know what this is, don't you? It's a ball. The word ball starts with the letter B. Can you spell the word ball? Spell it with me. B-A-L-L. Ball. One more time. B-A-L-L. Ball. Fantastic job, my little spellcasters. What word is next? Oh, look! What do we have here? If you know the word ball, you probably know the word bat. Only 3 letters here. Spell the word bat with me. B-A-T. Bat. Awesome! Every ball player needs a bat. Spell bat with me one more time. B-A-T. Bat! Magically awesome! You're all spelling like true wizards and witches. Let's move on to our next word. Who is this? Look! It's Benny the Bear! How about we spell the word bear? Spell bear out loud with me. B-E-A-R. Bear! Woohoo! Let's spell bear one more time. B-E-A-R. Bear! Marvelous! You're all such magical spellers. Now for our next word. Oh, look! It's a book! Can you help me spell the word book? Let's do it! B-O-O-K. Book! Way to go! I love books. Do you love books? Let's spell book one more time. Spell it with me. B-O-O-K. Book. Amazing. You're all doing so well. Now let's spell our last word. Oh, look. It's a yummy banana. Spell banana with me. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana! Absolutely spellbinding. Let's spell banana one more time. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana! Awesome work, little magic spellers. Until next time, this has been Sparkle the Unicorn, reminding you that practice makes perfect, and to be sure to spread the magic of learning. See you next time!